What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna give you an answer to the question where you can find all shows available on CBS, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So where you can find all shows available to stream on CBS. Well, there are a couple of options. By selecting shows, then through the filter selecting A to Z on cbs.com or browse, you will see the AZ from the CBS app menu. Then you'll see a list of CBS shows. Please note that the shows and episodes that are available for streaming depend upon whether or not you're signed in with your TV provider. So as you can see, we are here having some trending shows and so on and so forth, but you can easily go to the upper left corner of the screen where we are having these three horizontal lines. When you press on them, as you can see, we are having option called shows, and we are also having a search bar which helps you a lot, but you can just go to shows. Over here, when this page loads, which we are gonna wait just for a second. Here, as you can see, we are having A to Z, dramas, comedies, reality, daytime, primetime, late night, specials, news, and sports. So these are all the filters, but easily you can select A to Z, and here you are gonna have a full list of everything available on your CBS account. So you can scroll through them and find whichever you wish. So this is the full list, again, when you select A to Z in the shows filters. So overall, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.